Gladiators ready.
Hello.
OGGIE ready.
Ready. I'm sure I got a bit better gladiator name than that, but you know.
What the difference?
But well, there is no difference in this video. But if you wait to see Christmas, you might find out there is a difference. We've already done this video today. I've got safety goggles on and everything. All right. You got a penny on. I know.
I got a penny on.
Okay.
The floor's mopped.
The floor's mopped. Hopefully Christmas we will do a bloopers video, but we'll show you that another time. Now, as I think I alluded to on the actual video itself, or all our videos are pretty much bloopers. Welcome to Cocktail Corner, everybody. By the way, just thought I'd say, welcome back to Kelly. You're back after a couple of weeks off from the channel doing other things.
I've just been busy. It's just like
busy. It's fine. So I'm going to whip you up a little cocktail today. I'm going to get you to whip up a little cocktail.
Right.
This is called a Blue Lady. Nice and easy, this one, okay?
Says he.
It was easy, but it was dramatic. Yeah, so we're using Island Gin at the moment because it's what we've got. It's a very strong gin, but you can use any decent London dry gin. Will be fine. Okay.
I like gin cocktails, that's what it is.
Well, this is why I thought I'd come back with some.
I don't like vodka ones, but I don't like the bourbony ones.
Well, I do have one for bourbon, but I might have to do that myself.
Yeah, you might have to drink that one. You're on.
Okay, so I need to just look on this because we've changed the ingredients
slightly.
We're
going to do a slightly different recipe.
Yeah, because of what happened earlier. So we start off with a cocktail shaker with ice in it. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to wet shake first and dry shake after.
Right.
Okay. So to that you will add, well, lemon juice to start off with.
Right.
Okay, measurements here, right? 22.5 mils of lemon juice.
It's basically half of a lemon.
Yeah, you can go 30 if you really want, but yeah, half a lemon will be fine.
Lucky.
Yeah, that's all we had left, honestly.
Right.
Though to that, you make it things blue. So you're going to use blue, Curaçao, whichever. Yeah.
I'm sure what you say is right, Curaçao, but it looks like Curaçao to me.
Okay.
How much is this now? This
to
time?
that, you are going to add 45 mils.
Ooh.
This is quite a lot of this one. It's mainly this with some gin, as opposed to being a gin cocktail. So this will be an orangey kind of vibe going on.
It still says tropical, it's not orange.
It's got a lot of things in it, but
it smells like, I don't know, pineapple-y.
Yeah, a citrusy kind of thing going on maybe. Okay, to that you now add your gin. So we are doing 30 mils.
I think that's safer with this gin.
I'm using a recipe this time from the difference guide. There were a few other recipes I tried earlier. One was very successful.
Of gin.
Right, and to that we add 1 egg white. Yep, for the foamy consistency. That's the plan. So, in the previous video, what did we discuss? You can have vegan alternative to egg white.
You can. What was it? I can't remember again.
Can't remember it? Aquafaba.
Aquafaba, that's it, Aquafaba. And it is basically the juice out of a tin of chickpeas.
It is, yeah, I believe. So, take this one and keep hold of the lid. Right, but you're just turning this down. Can you do that? You alright with that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably enough.
Very cold.
Yeah. Pour it into a receptacle.
Well, we'll tip it in the glass.
Yeah,
is that
that's
alright?
fine. Yep. It's very blue. Now, the trick now.
It looks a bit more promising, John.
Well, there's some in the glass this time. It's more promising. The trick now is to take the ice out of that. Don't keep the ice. Well done. Pour that back into the glass, into the cocktail shaker. Sorry. Lovely. Seal that up, pop the lid back on. Now we're going to do a dry shake. You alright with that? You don't normally do the shaking.
I know it hurts my arms.
So why are you doing it for?
Because I'm a bit worried about you doing it.
Okay. No.
And then you come and get the lid off.
I never love this one. I hate this cocktail shaker. Pour it in. The theory is it should then separate, giving a creamy head, which it kind of does.
Yay!
Yay! Well done. We're going to take a photograph of this. If you've got a bit of lemon garnish peel, lemon peel garnish, pop that on as well. But that is a blue lane. Let's take a photograph, we'll drink it.
That looks much better.
Much better. Love it, the second attempt. So, let's give it a taste, babes.
Bottoms up.
Bottoms up. So you should get that lovely velvety kind of top to drink through.
There was definitely something wrong with that first one. That's
You
totally
reckon?
different.
Part of experimentation. Honestly, I hope you will see the video.
Completely
Much
different.
better. I think the ingredients measurements I had weren't right on the last one.
Right.
That's very
That's
good
very
actually.
nice.
That's very nice. It's sweet, got sharpness, little acidity
Yeah.
to it. Very good.
And the other thing about it as well, like it's not that, because the other one, I said to you, although we shouldn't talk about the other one, but the other one had like a dry taste to it. This doesn't have that.
Nice, isn't it? So we obviously are talking about a video that you may not ever see, but just stick to what we've given you on this one. The ingredients is good, and the measurements are right on this one.
Yeah, that's delicious.
Very good. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I will find some slightly safer recipes for Cocktail Corner very soon, but I've got a whole bunch on to do.
Cool.
Coming up to Christmas, we've got a few festive ones as well.
Yeah, we're into October, so we've got October, November, December, so we've got the autumny type ones. We got some nice sloe gin.
Yes, we'll try
we
and
couldn't
get some of
find
that
some
into
stuff.
it. We will do.
And obviously there'll probably be some mulled stuff around.
Oh, there
won't
will be plenty of mould stuff, won't there?
So, yeah.
And eggnoggy things and all that kind of thing.
Yeah, didn't you say last year you wanted to make a proper eggnog? We
Yeah,
didn't
I've
get
got,
around to it,
got a
did we?
couple of ideas. Okay, we will show you plenty of drinkers upwards and onwards towards Christmas. But thanks so
for
much for
joining
watching.
us.
Bye for now, everybody.
Bye!
Gotta have some clean clothes left, spare.
Yeah, because I never ever do the laundry.
Never only have more than one set of clothes.
No,
do I?
exactly.